Ebiripo is a dish that is popular in Ogun State and it's made from cocoyam. If you're from Ijebu, Remo in particular, I hope this Ebiripo recipe reminds you to go home. Hopefully you're in a part of the world where you can lay your hands on cocoyam. Hello everyone, welcome to another little cooking show. For this Ebiripo recipe, you need cocoyam, of course, and this is what they look like. I have peeled and cleaned this one, and the next thing is to grate. Traditionally, I'm supposed to grate this, but I have my raw power blender to get this nice and smooth in 1-2 minutes. If you don't have a strong blender to do this, just use a grater to grate the cocoyams. I also blended some melon seeds and peppers for my egusi soup. Ebiripo goes well with egusi. Egusi Ijebu seemed to be the most acceptable pair for Ebiripo, but I chose to have mine with egusi elefo even though I used the vegetables sparingly. Once I was done blending, I added a little salt to the blended cocoyam. No need to add water to this, just after blending or grating, just mix with a bit of salt and wrapped in moi moi leaves. This is cooked by steaming, just like moi moi. So I'm going to wrap everything one after the other until I have exhausted the cocoyam paste. Set everything nicely in a pot to cook while I focus on the egusi soup. If you like this recipe and you would love to see more of it, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing you loads and loads of recipes like this. Also, do make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video. Thank you. I have started with the egusi soup. With my palm oil heated up, I added locust beans and sliced onions. This video is really not about egusi soup, but more about ebiripo. So if you would like to see egusi soup recipes, I have two on this channel, so you can check them out. I'll put the link in the description box. This is my stew base for the egusi soup, which has been well fried alongside pomo because those were tough. So I added them earlier. Then I added more stock, dried fish and dried prawns. I'll leave this to cook for a bit before adding the egusi. But before I do that, to enable me stir this properly, I'm going to take out the fish so they do not break in this soup. I'll cover this to cook for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, I'll add the vegetables, stir that in and then return the fish into the soup. I tasted it and felt that it needed a bit more salt, so I added that. My egusi soup was ready in no time, and it took quite some self-control to serve this in a plate and show you before digging in. How long you cook ebiripo really depends on the quantity you're making. It took about 20 minutes to cook this. It's not a lot. Now it's ready, looking good and smelling so delicious. So this is how we make ebiripo. So Remo or not, if you know ebiripo, let me know when last you had it. And if you don't, do you think this is a meal you would like to try? So try this recipe for your next ebiripo and I am certain you will get good result. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you soon with another recipe. Bye bye.